Well, it's that time of year again. Black Friday is almost upon us, and Mars Hydro has some great deals for the grower in your family. You can get up to 30% off until November 26th. There are also free gifts and 3 times the order points. Something that I'd like to highlight right now is the FCE 3000. And also a 3x3 grow tent. And a 4-inch inline fan kit. The FCE 3000 for more advanced indoor growers. Designed to meet the needs of the experienced growers who want to take their growing skills to the next level. A uniform bar light at a cost-effective price. The 3x3 grow tent has a much higher reflective wall. It is also tear-proof with a 1680D Oxford fabric. It has a robust metal frame, strong and smooth zippers, and has multiple vents. The 4-inch inline fan has potent airflow and is also speed controllable. It also has extremely low noise and is made of durable material. Quick disassembly and easy maintenance through the removable duck end with latches. So if you're just starting out or you're looking to upgrade your grow equipment, now is the time to buy. You'd have to be crazy not to right now.
What reality you live in?
So head on over to Mars Hydro, check out their website and see what sales they have on. Don't forget, at checkout, you can use my promo code, TAPROOTSGROWING, and you can save yourself a little bit of money on your order. Until next time, peace.